बट अगर स्वीटी और बबलू को ऐसे नहीं मारे होते तो शायद मुन्ना जिंदा होते, पर मार दिए तो फिर कैसे बच सकते हैं?
The best theory
Oh.
was that Lalla, who is my child, is going to grow up to be looking like Munna.
मैंने तो पोस्ट किया, अच्छे से पोस्ट करते हुए मैंने उसमें लिखा है कि मिर्जापुर फैंस की गालियां खा के भी पोस्ट करने का घमंड है।
When I first read the script of season 1, I was afraid that the casting directors and the director don't think that they made a wrong choice.
Did you like have like intimacy coordinators on set? Did you have or
No,
do you
not
have?
on Mirzapur. We not
Okay.
had. In season 3 we had action, dance, and sexual scenes.
Mm-hmm.
These three have same kind of prep. And
Lovely.
and I saw her debut, Masan, come out before my film. I was like, अभी तो ये मेरी casting कर रही थी, इसकी film बाहर आ रही है।
Hello everyone, welcome to News 18, and today we have with us the Zabardast cast of Mirzapur. Hello everyone, why don't you introduce yourself to our guests in your signature Mirzapur?
हम है विजय वर्मा, हम सिवान के डॉन हैं।
प्रणाम, हमें बीना त्रिपाठी, हम मिर्जापुर की रानी हैं।
नमस्कार, हम हैं गजगामुनी गुप्ता, गोलू डॉन, गोलू दीदी, गोलू देवी, सब हम हैं।
Wow, wow, that was great. That was great. So before we get into the interview, just to set the mood right, let's start with a quick game. Okay? To refresh your memories also a little bit and check how well acquainted are you with the show.
अरे इसके लिए तो we need Anjum.
Yeah. Without Sarath, we can't do this.
Why? Because he has an
Golu is the... Yeah.
I'm the backbencher.
You can ask her.
The front bencher.
Wait.
आपको पता है ना मेरे रिकैप का कोई फायदा नहीं।
Rasika, you cannot whisper, okay?
Asides are allowed.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some English words at you.
Okay.
And how would you really translate it into a Mirzapur lingo?
Achha.
Okay, let's see who gets it right.
Okay.
Chaos.
भोकाल,
No.
भसड़,
Buzzer.
रायता,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. Loose talks.
Beckett.
Yes, you're almost.
Baketi.
Yes.
Baketi.
Yes.
Bye
Okay.
bye.
All right.
बड़ा
Okay. Very intense and impactful.
गजब,
गर्दा तो हुआ ये हमारा क्लास यूज कर रहे हैं। घमासान
It's actually भोकाल.
भोकाल।
Oh, wrong बोल दिए।
Okay.
भोकाल actually काफी versatile word।
Yeah.
कहीं
It's
पे हो
actually,
जाता है।
that's very true. Okay. Opium.
चरस,
नहीं.
बर्फी।
Yes.
oh damn.
Yes. Okay. What do you?
सरस, guys.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
सरस जी।
Okay. What do you call like a small time gun peddler or a dealer?
कबूतर।
Yes.
And what does the kabutar have?
Very good. I think this round belongs to the two of you. Either you lose this round.
Just like the
हम सिवान से हैं, मिर्जापुर से नहीं है।
हाँ, correct. उनको नहीं पता होना चाहिए।
Sivan. Okay. So now I'm going to give you some dialogues, and you'll have to say who said them.
Okay.
ठीक है? These are like fun, popular dialogues. Okay. औरत चाहे चंबल की हो या पूर्वांचल,
ये डॉक्टर की वाइफ बोलती है।
करेक्ट।
गन उठाती है,
एक ही टीम में है।
गन उठाती है तो इसका मतलब दिक्कत है. This is the whole dialogue.
हाँ।
Okay.
लिप्पी की मम्मी।
Okay. शुरू मजबूरी में किए थे, अब मजा आ रहा है.
गुड भैया।
Yes.
It's one of my favorite lines
Right,
of the show of all time.
I want to check with
My favorite line is बात ये नहीं है, important ये नहीं है कि
Important ये कि मेरा
important ये है, उसके ऊपर तो बहुत कुछ बना है।
बहुत कुछ बना
The memes are
अभी
really fun.
ट्रेलर आया तो
भूल गया क्योंकि इतनी सारी मीम्स बनी।
Okay. Next one. जो आया है वो जाएगा भी, बस
पंकज
मर्जी
त्रिपाठी
हमारी
का
होगी.
मिस्टर कारपेट।
It's Mr. Carpet. That's absolutely right. Okay, the last one. हिंदी फिल्म के हीरो है हम,
मुन्ना भैया।
Can you complete the dialogue?
हिंदी फिल्म के
What is
हीरो
Munna's real
ऐसे
name?
ही नहीं मर जाएंगे और ऐसे कुछ है ना।
अमर है,
है हमारा।
हमें कोई नहीं मार सकता, हम अमर हैं.
अमर है।
That brings me to this interview.
पर उसका पूरा नाम क्या है मुन्ना का?
फूलचंद त्रिपाठी।
ओ
अच्छा, क्विज आपके लिए। गोलू का असली नाम क्या है?
गजगामिनी।
हाँ, अच्छा, बबलू का असली नाम क्या है?
बबलू का असली नाम
Hey, that I don't know.
पंडित
क्या पंडित?
I don't
गजोधर
remember.
पंडित।
No, I don't remember.
बिग क्लू। विजय।
Vijay Pandit?
नहीं,
No, I don't
क्या
remember.
ऊपर फिर से
विनय।
विनय पंडित।
Vinay?
हाँ,
Oh.
ना?
नहीं?
जहाँ तक
Okay,
मुझे
okay,
याद
no,
है।
विनय
Okay,
पंडित।
since we are talking about Munna Bhaiya, I mean, we all are very sad as fans, like what we saw, like the note on which season 2 ended.
Yeah.
But does he have a cameo, guys?
Shweta knows the answer to this
Yeah,
question.
only Shweta knows.
Other films, other shows, definitely yes. In our hearts, definitely yes. But अगर स्वीटी और बबलू को ऐसे नहीं मारे होते तो शायद मुन्ना जिंदा होते, पर मार दिए तो फिर कैसे बच सकते हैं?
बदला लिया।
Absolutely, absolutely. Have you been reading up on all these fan theories?
Oh yes.
Which according to you is the most exciting one?
Some of them are dangerously close to reality, but I will not talk about those.
अच्छा,
ये
tell
जो
me one.
लल्ला है, लल्ला का मुन्ना चेहरा होगा जब वो बड़ा हो जाएगा
The best
और बड़ी
theory-
बदला लेगा।
Correct. The best theory
Oh.
that, was that Lalla, who is my child, is going to grow up to be looking like
Munna.
That was the theory I got recently.
But
Yeah.
you know
Quite
now
funny.
मुझे जिसने भी theory
बचपन में ही
बनाई
थोड़ी
है,
दाढ़ी रहेगी।
पूछना है, but then he has to be
कहानी के साथ पैदा होगा।
राजा can't be then.
हाँ?
मुन्ना की शक्ल के लिए he has to be one of the त्रिपाठियों का बीज।
हाँ बीज
अरे।
बीज भी तो।
पर राजा भी हो सकता है ना, अभी तो we are still only
Hmm.
Viva.
There are three candidates.
Yeah,
Exactly.
3 candidates. Okay, okay. So season 2 had premiered in 2020. And season 3, this is like 2024. This is like a biggest complaint from you guys. 4 साल
2 साल तो पैंडेमिक ने।
हाँ चलो ठीक है, but फिर भी I mean have you been getting abuses and all on social media? Because Harshita told me that she has been. Like people have been abusing her on social
हम
media.
क्या ये प्राइम वीडियो वाले रोज गाली खा रहे हैं? हमसे ज्यादा ये खाते हैं।
और अच्छी चीज बनाने में टाइम लगता है।
वो तो है।
एंड टाइम लगा है डेफिनेटली, बट उसका रीजन यही रहा है बिकॉज हम जो ऑडियंस है, हमें जो इतना प्यार और रिस्पेक्ट और उनकी फैंडम मिली है, there is a responsibility that we have.
Absolutely.
And as actors, even we don't want, as makers and producers and creators, I'm sure, even they don't want कि इतना लंबा गैप हो, but वो क्वालिटी और अच्छी चीज के चक्कर में ही है।
बिल्कुल, absolutely.
And also गाली खाना is very Mirzapur tradition. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know any other show where audience fans speak in this way. मिर्जापुर के फैंस का बात करने का तरीका ऐसा है कि आप लोग हमारे हो, हमको जो मन में आएगा बोलेंगे, आपको आप सुनो।
Yeah.
Their method fans.
Their method fans.
Method fans.
बात गाली नहीं मिलेगी, that is more important.
Yeah, that method fans. But I remember you had posted a picture like a full photo shoot वाला picture, and somebody had texted, ये सब छोड़ो, ये बताओ कि मिर्जापुर कब आ रहा है। That was
Multiple posts पे हम सब
मैंने तो पोस्ट किया, अच्छे से पोस्ट करते हुए मैंने उसमें लिखा है कि मिर्जापुर फैंस की गालियां खा के भी पोस्ट करने का घमंड है।
Which is a very funny caption.
I saw that. But you know, this is to the ladies, to the two of you. I think you know, the women characters in the show, they are like so liberated. I mean, there's Golu's strategic mind, there's, you know, Dimpy's silence, and Beena's sexuality. I mean, all of them are like, you know, weapons, and largely violence is like a male dominated space, right? But Mirzapur, I think, really defied every norm in the book. What do you have to say about that? How clutter breaking is Mirzapur in that way?
I think at the time that it came out, it was very different from everything else around it. And I think the strength of the show really lies in not in just the snazziness of it and the quirkiness of it, but I think in really the way the characters are written, and therefore they've been able to sort of take it forward to subsequent seasons with such ease and build on them, because the foundation of the writing was very strong. So I think it was different, but still very, very, it had the snazziness as well as the work on making the characters really work.
Right. You want to add something about the fact that, you
I
know,
think three qualities that you said, वो सारे characters में है. वो use कौन कैसे करता है, that is a fun of each character.
right.
That because I think Beena is the kind of layers she has, वो आपको जो दिखता है वही हमें पता चलता है. But still there are so many things. Like I think she's a mastermind. And in fact,
Absolutely.
in one of the games हमसे पूछा गया था कि अगर आप ally करते तो कौन वो आपका होता. So I think Beena is the one because वो घर बैठे बैठे she is controlling even when Babuji was there. Babuji or Ekiti or Munna and now even Lalla. So when I
Yeah.
think that they have the power and which I think Golu is learning from her that even how to use her brain and beauty, which is beautiful.
How lovely.
Yeah.
That's so cool. But you know, Rasika, just tell me, I mean, if you look deeper into it, your character, I think it's also a celebration of, you know, a female desire, you know, in so many ways. For you, I remember you in an interview saying that, you know, I wish I had the qualities and the sensuality of Beena. And just tell me, you know, how special is it to play the part? And when you read the script for the first time, this was before season 1, what was the first thought in your mind?
I'm sorry, I just want to say we all wish that we
Yeah.
have those qualities of Beena.
Absolutely, absolutely.
When I first read the script of season 1, I was afraid that the casting directors and the director don't think that they made a wrong choice because really she was so different from who I am
Right.
and from anything else that I was being offered at that time. You know, so I was like, पहली बार जब मैं रिहर्सल के लिए गई, I was like, इनको ये ना लगे कि गलती हो गई, अब किसी और को कास्ट कर ले. So that was my fear and that was the nervousness with which I approached the role because I felt that her physicality was very different from mine. She's very comfortable in her body. She sort of owns the space that when she enters a space, people kind of look at her, not because she's drop dead gorgeous or anything, but just there's something about her presence which is commanding.
But she's
You know,
pretty
So-
drop dead gorgeous.
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
Stunning.
Yeah.
So yeah, she owns the space that she occupies, and that's very interesting and very different from my body language and my way of being. And of course, I loved what she does in season 1. Of course, the end of it is showing us what a patriarchal society does to a woman who explores her desires, and that is that and the seed for season 2 and the revenge of season 2 sort of starts from there. But throughout season 1, I really enjoyed being her.
I'm sure, yes. You know, so I mean, Mirzapur is largely about violence, we know that. But then, since we are talking about sexuality here, I think in season 2, there's a scene between the two of you, you know, when she takes the reins, you know, in one of the intimate scenes. And I think that's a very crucial scene, even for you.
Yeah.
You know, solely as a man also, you know, not just an actor. How do you really look at, you know, a woman taking the reins on in a scene like that?
I feel like in that moment, you know, this boy who is very wide-eyed and innocent and romantic in his heart and head, but he's head over heels with this girl. And what happened there was probably he learned something about himself.
Right.
She is the teacher there. And this is exactly how life plays out. We learn so much from our partners, and early on, especially sexually. It's not like you discover everything on your own. It's when you meet a certain kind of a energy is when you actually become a boy, turn from a boy into a man, and so on and so forth. So it was interesting for this character to go through an experiment like this with Golu because she, you know, on the onset, it looks like Golu is a very normal, very cutesy and this and that. But if you remember, people forget that there was the first scene when she's reading in the library. She's reading erotica of a certain nature.
Yes.
So she's bent differently. And she introduces this to it, and we'll see what happens with this now.
Yeah. You want to add something about that scene?
There is so much pain mentally and physically in that scene. And one of my favorite things is...
It is quite uncomfortable, if I may say, even as an audience when you're watching it.
Absolutely. And even shooting it was a very different experience because the cast and crew, they all feel they want to... there is a
Protect,
certain... Yeah.
Yeah.
And one of my favorite moments in the scene is when Golu gives him the belt and says, "Maro hame," and Shatru
He said,
so
"Maro."
cutely- Maro.
He started beating himself.
Yeah, I know.
So sweet.
It is, it is.
I said he should just start beating himself, and Guru
And
was
this
laughing.
was-
I'm like, but this guy doesn't know what she
Yeah.
means.
Absolutely.
He
Right.
he doesn't know the idea of it, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
And this was obviously something that happened on set. This wasn't written.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, really?
No, I read that line.
Jesse.
She said Maro. I said I should just start beating myself.
Oh my
She's
God,
like,
wow.
"Abhi humko maro."
Did you like have like intimacy coordinators on set? Did you have or do
No,
you
not
have?
on Mirzapur. We not
Okay.
had. In season 3 we had.
Oh,
In
okay.
season 3 we
Um,
had. I mean, I had somebody.
Yeah, season 1, I think the concept of intimacy
Yeah,
direction
that's
was
true.
still not around.
Yeah.
That's
But I'm
true.
very glad that it is because it's really very important. I mean, we were lucky that this was a set which was very sensitive and everybody was on the same page. And I had long discussions with the
Mhm.
directors and co-actors on how things will be shot so that everybody was comfortable. But in the absence of that, supposing that doesn't happen on a set, it's very, very important to have an intimacy director. You can't rely on
Sure.
things working out and people having a relationship where they are open to speaking about this and really sort of talking to each other about what they're uncomfortable about. So
Right.
we were lucky
Yeah.
that was there here,
Yeah.
but it might not always be there, and you shouldn't be in that situation where you have not been able to have those conversations.
But what happened was, because if you learn the tools from the intimacy coordination workshop, it's so easily applicable on a set where there is none. I found the information and the exercises to be so helpful. you
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
So what is it is precisely like any other movement based, touch based thing like action, dance, and sexual scenes.
Mhm.
These three have same kind of prep. Action director will tell you कि आप ये touch कर सकते हो, ये touch नहीं कर सकते, ये मार सकते हो, ये नहीं मार सकते हो. Fight में भी you know the moves. You go here in. So this is discussed. Everything is understood. कि these are my safe zones. These are not.
Right.
No go
Yeah.
here and venture away from them. It's also choreographed.
Yes.
So you're not reacting to your feelings and stuff. You're not reacting to your feelings in a fight scene. You're not reacting to your feelings in a dance scene. You have to be within the realm, within the structure.
That's right. We have to wrap this up, but very lastly, on a fun note, I just want to say, recently you had posted a video with Ali,
Yeah.
and where there is a QR code on his
belly.
he said कि नीचे देखो or something like that.
Oh.
But it just shows the banter, the friendship that's there.
Yeah.
Just tell me very honestly how joyful it is to be on a set
Yeah.
with secure actors where nobody is trying to cut into each other's frame or the light or lines for that matter.
I think that's a given with good actors because no good actor will do that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's great. We've all known each other for a very long time.
Yeah.
We've had associations from different projects,
Yeah.
from the Film Institute for
We went to
us.
the film street
Same
together.
batch.
No,
No, I applied in her batch. I didn't get it.
I took that seat.
She was way too talented. She deserved the seat. I had to apply next year, and I got
Okay.
through. And Shweta and I think she did my audition for Monsoon Shootout. She was
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
this is back in 2010,
Wow.
9 or 10 maybe. And
Lovely.
and I saw her debut, Masan, come out before my film. I was like, अभी तो ये मेरी casting कर रही थी, उसकी film बाहर आ रही है.
I feel like we've all met each other at different points in our
Yeah.
careers. So it's very nice to see that everybody's
Yeah.
got the kind of work that they have today. Pankaj and I had done a show called Powder,
Powder.
Yes.
10 years before we started
TV.
shooting
Yeah.
for Mirzapur.
Yeah.
Shweta and I had done some little theatre work
Yeah.
together.
So it feels amazing to be on this set, also because the machinery is very well oiled. Like Guru is probably one of the most loving director and somebody who can bring the whole team together. He's there for everybody. If you call him, he's there. Like he's
Yeah.
constantly there. That kind of a man. And I was like, I entered in the second season, right? So they all were already a rage. The show was a rage. All these actors were considered, like had their own fandom going. So I was walking in thinking कि I don't know if I'll have the space.
Yeah, yeah.
But I was very warmly welcomed and
How
I
lovely.
never
I was
never
so
had to feel.
excited that he had got this part. I remember when I read the part, I was like, double role. That's one thing I've always wanted to do.
Yeah,
is
same yeah.
Hindi cinema trope. जो
Yeah, yeah.
एक
100%.
एक बार तो करना ही है.
अभी
I'm
मुझे
so
trip होगा.
envious of him that he got this part.
And these
Yeah.
are the actors you're rooting for. Because
Absolutely.
they raise the bar. So चाहे वो मिर्जापुर में नहीं भी होता, I think we're very lucky to have each other. Because एक दूसरे के scenes देख के ना लगता है कि वाओ इसने ऐसा किया है, तो जो भी आता है वो छक्का मार के जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
So that is a feeling secured, feeling that you're taken care of is one of the best feelings.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Great. On that lovely note, thank you so much
Thank
to
you.
all three of you. Good luck for Mirzapur season 3, and I'm looking forward.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.